The new model's interior seems largely familiar from other current BMWs, with a raised touchscreen for the infotainment system, conventional controls for the heating and ventilation system, and the familiar row of programmable shortcut buttons. Analog instruments will be standard with the option of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. All US versions will come with sports seats and leather steering wheels, with the M240i xDrive getting a glass moonroof that will be optional on the 230i.
Subscribe to Auto TV.